We are here for the US session. I'm just going to get connected here. Let's see, just trying to connect here. So we had part one, the European session. We picked up 18 points. In reality, should have picked up 30 points. Try to play it too smart, try to get in and get back in, get out and get back in, and didn't quite work in our favor. That's where we exited, right there around the 21 mark. As you can see, prices pulled back not long after, so getting out at 24 was the right decision. Prices pulled back to 61, broke these previous lows. Couldn't see that continuation, tested that VWAP, found support, rallied back above that 50 period moving average. Our VWAP is facing up, seen at 70. Prices at the moment, there's a high of 37, pretty close towards that 38.50. That's the very next level we're looking at. A key horizontal level after that, we're looking at the highs of day from yesterday, 48.50, but we've got a level seen around at 58.25 or so. So there are some levels here to the upside. So we do look poised here coming into the open. A couple of minutes away here. Let's get our US clock up as well. There we are, about 1 minute to the New York Open. So we just tested that. Just tested at 38.50. So the market is open here. Let's see what we do here. Let's see. So there we are, seeing that breakthrough at 38.50 here. Seeing this continuation of this bullish move. Oh, hold on a sec here. All the way up towards that 58.50. good strong move there off the open. So buy click 64. Ah, goodness me. Buy click.
Order submitted.
64. For real.
Order submitted.
Just trying to get in. Not quite got there yet. Gotta be extra careful. We've got that 58.50 level. This level just here. So do have to be careful here. Definitely could look at it as a resistance. Seeing bullish momentum here. Move up towards the 535s. Around those almost 535 or so. Not sure yet. Interesting, price came within a tick of that level there. If it breaks through the lows, definitely be looking short. It's a really strong move up, that one. Can't do this. Okay. Let's see. What was that alert? Yeah, telling me there's a lot of volume in this market. Just got a volume alert. So we couldn't quite close above that 38.50, traded well above it, closed below it, closed negative. So do have to be
Order submitted.
see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. Got prices a bit bracketed. Ideally I'd like for the long trade to sell up because the short, we're shorting down into, we've got the 50 facing upwards, we've got VWAP facing upwards. So ideally I would like for the long to set up. So we've just closed above that 38.50 here. Let's see what this market wants to do here. Because we took out the highs, all the stops that would have been at those highs from yesterday, those stops would have been taken out.
Order filled.
Okay, so I'm in. Let's see.
Order submitted. Target filled.
So that's my other account. Let's go with close.
Order filled.
We'll just close it there. How many should we pick up? Like 11 points? Yeah, picked up 11 points. Right there. So my other account, let's have a look how many points we picked up. We're at 64 out of 76. At 64 out of 76. Let's see, up 123 points. VIX, okay, the VIX is supporting this move higher. Alright, let's have a look at the VIX chart. Let's have a quick look. Yeah, VIX is supporting our move higher. Prices have pulled back down to below where my entry was.
Order filled.
Just going to go long again. Prices pull back down to that 58. So, what are we looking at here? Had the initial move through the highs. Okay. 107 points. So, potentially, 52. Let's see. Currently 191 points of range. Let's do some projections here. So move up towards that 36. So click and back.
Order submitted.
Oh wow. I'm seeing a lot of movement here. Oh, supported by the VIX. Here we go. Definitely don't want to stand in the way of this. I'm gonna adjust up 40 odd points. Definitely up 54 points. $58 points.
Order filled.
Taking the profits there. There is no reason to take profit, but took profits there. Strong move right there to the upside. I think there was some PMI news actually. Let me think about it. Let me have a look at the calendar actually. Yeah, 9:45. Global compositive flash PMIs. Okay, so we had some PMI news come out. Prior 52.1, currently 50.9. So prior 51.9, manufacturing, actual 49. So the PMIs came out worse than expected. Okay. Alright, so okay, PMIs came out worse than expected. But we had this move up. Of course, the very next level we're looking at is that move up towards that 31. Prices do seem poised to head up there. Let's see. So further 30 points.
Order filled.
So I'm in again on the pullback. Previously exited at 15. Back in at 03. Let's see what we can do here. Yeah, exited at let's see, around about 16, so let's see what we can do here. Looking for that move up to that 530. So let's have a look at the, let's put this all the way up
Order submitted.
there for the moment. Let's have a look at the daily chart. Okay. So move up towards that 530. We've got the highs up there at 53.50. Pull that down, 47. Let's see. 47. Who knows? Maybe getting back in with it's going to be proved to be the wrong decision, but just never know. Prices are pulling back a bit here. Got back in at 05. The other went to gain about 500, so see how this works itself out. 531 definitely seems like it's the level. You know what, let's respect the levels. Let's put our at 529. So it's about 24 points. It's about 24 points. It's not ideal actually. Let's see. About 537. Now the PMIs came in worse than expected. Why did prices spike? Who knows? This market could easily turn around here. I've locked in 84 points, but let's see, 400. Hold on. Put a stop in.
Order submitted.
I'll stop in there for the moment while we look at this a bit, try to figure this out. So this is what ideally should have been patient, wait for a pullback towards this 58 level to get in, to go long. Actually bought a bit too high here. Looking for that move up towards 50s there. Let's see, what would the full daily range? Let's assume the lows stay intact. What would one current daily ATR set us? Current daily ATR. Let's have a look at the daily chart. One daily ATR. Let's have a look. One daily ATR is about 340. So let's see. One daily ATR would actually take us all the way to, so it's probably below this level right there, 620 essentially. One ATR, one daily ATR. Alright, I'll take us through the previous open, high, and quite a bit into the previous candle. Now this is off the easing the tensions in the Middle East and so on. VIX is still supporting us. VIX is in the negative territory, so VIX is still supporting us for the moment. There's nothing on the VIX at the moment to suggest that support is gone. So let's get back here. Let's see. Do I? For ATR takes us all the way up to 619. Previous day's high is at 43. Do I wait for a pullback to that 43 level? Okay. Let's see. Got that level up at 531, of course. So that second candle after the news release on the PMIs, that's also closed bullish. Okay, so that's closed bullish at 531 is right there. So from 05 to 531, again, looking about maybe 26 points. Do we simply take that level, or do we hold for a full ATR move to the upside? That's a question, because the reasonable level is that 531. That would bring us up to, let's see, copy. At 531, bring us to about 250 points. Wow. Just had a quick spike there. I wasn't even paying attention. Unbelievable. I was not paying attention. Price got to 27. Unbelievable. Let's have a look here. In the daily chart. Let's see. Gotta be really careful. Opened at 31. Okay, so we got to 27, pulled back a bit. This is a fairly big window. We just transitioned 58 up to 30. It's about 70 points. Got a 588. So 505 to 619. Looking about 114 points. 114 points. Tell you what, we'll take it off if we get to, so the level's at 31, so let's put this at 29. Again, this could be us playing too smart here. So we'll get it, take profit off the 29s, if we do get it, and put an order to get back in off a rejection of there to go along. So yeah, we'll try getting on the 29s, hope that we do see some selling off the 31s, try to get back in maybe around this 95 mark, and then from there we'll see. But yeah, we'll see. Again, we're being supported here. Still being supported by VIX. VIX is still telling us buy for the moment. Actually, let's have a look here. Oh, actually, This market's a bit extended actually now I look at it. Yeah, this market's a bit extended. Goodness me, this market is extended. This market is extended. We need a pullback. Okay, do we take it off a break even? Or do we wait for this market to get to that level? Take 29, wait for that pullback. Yeah, that's what we'll do. We'll take 29. Oh, may not even get it. May not even get it. Yeah, this market's a bit stretched at the moment. That move to the upside. Yeah, market is extended. Let's see. See if I can get that 29, take it off, seeing as the market is extended. Do have some news coming out at 10 a.m. Just gonna have a quick run of the other instruments here. Where are they? Where are the other instruments? Let's see. ES was had that strong move as well. Had a gap up. Strong move there to the upside. Oh, no. Let's see. And Q had a gap up, strong move to the upside, so not good. So we did say we were looking extended here on the 5-minute chart. Definitely seemed a bit overbought off this move up. Had the opportunity to get out, break even, but wanted to see that move to the upside. So guess we're gonna have to just hold through a potential pullback here. Daily range is up at 241. So we extended into the end of the daily range. Yeah. Because before the recent spout of volatility, market was averaging about 250 points of range per day. But wait to see here. Definitely try and stay patient and not think to get out, because we do have beneath us, we have our VWAP, we've got our 50 period all the way up at 415. So we do have some elements above us, above where our stop is. The only thing is, market is extended. Certainly extended. The fact that we came up to 27 as well, rather quickly, and came back immediately. Ideally, we'd like to have seen that 31 tested in our ideal world. So we'll continue to wait here. But maybe today's a day where I do what I was doing when my scheduling commitments meant I couldn't trade the market. And what that was simply setting and forgetting. I'd simply set the trade. I would, because of all your commitments, log out and let the trade work itself. So, see if we get this 29. We've had a bit of a pullback. A bit of a pullback here, so let's see if that has a bit of relief on the oversold nature of the market. Try to pick up the, let's see, 20, let's go 29.5. See if we can pick up that 29.5, which is about 24 points. And after that, we'll be looking to see if we get a pullback off that level, or possibly to go long. So we'll see here. Of course, the market could just go through that level, and me trying to time an entry may prove foolish. So we'll see. We'll definitely see. Definitely, if we got in there, I'd say, if we got in there, I'd say 60. Maybe 60. Looking for that move to, hold on a second here. Why is my order being moved? Goodness me. I'm not sure why my order was just selected, but goodness me. There we go, 29.25.
Order filled.
So there's an order being filled there at 29.25. What we'll do is we'll keep the stop order still in place. So we filled at the right price, 29.25, yeah. So we got in there, got filled 29.25. Now is the moment of truth, whether I was right to get out. There's prices hit 31.25, which is a level that we talked about. In around at 31.25, we've got previously our open just here. Before we're looking at 619, around that 619 mark. Probably should just put it on this chart over here. Let's do it as a, let's do it as a ray, an arrow line actually. $6.19. Template, load, target, load, apply. So essentially before I was looking for that 619. Let's take a that 25 off, so we're up 108 points at the moment. Again, we're looking for a pullback off this 31 and for the market to set up for us to continue long. The long move is definitely being supported by the VWAP and the 50 period here at the moment. It's also being supported by VIX. VIX is suggesting longs, so look to see if we get a pullback here and an opportunity to re-enter long. So we've had that pullback from that 31, got as high as 32.25. We've pulled back here from that 31.25. I thought about getting in there around that 16, see if we can get back up there again, pick up an extra 15 points, but it's pretty close to this level. We are at highs a day, so ideally I don't want to be buying at the higher day, because we know with NQ it can be a very dangerous instrument. It can pull back violently, even though I don't think it will, considering that we are supported by VIX and we're going to be supported by that recent PMI news. There are multiple factors supporting us going higher, but stay out for a little bit here. Maybe just me playing a bit too smart, but I'll just stay out. Look to see what this market wants to do, wait for an opportunity to go back long. If it doesn't show up, it doesn't matter.
Order canceled.
Cancel that order there. If it doesn't show up, it doesn't matter. Just stay patient here. Oh, I should probably... Oh, and so the European trade worked. The European trade worked and the US session trade worked as well, so those trades have worked in my favor today by quite a bit. Let's see where we are. Like I said, this market's pulled away from the moving averages here to the upside. We're supported by VIX. VIX is at 3.31 at the moment. 3.31. We are still in overbought territory on the RSI looks overbought. We're outside the VWAP band here. Pulled back to it, found support, continued higher there. So we'll see if we get a meaningful pullback here after testing that 31.25, or whether we'll break it, pull back, retest it, and I'll probably look for a move higher towards that 87, 85, is it? So look at this, 87, 85. So we've got the highs there around 53.50. They must be a potential focus. Wow, this market's really strong. Look at that, beautiful. Beautiful stuff. Broke new highs there. Above, broke the highs, so got to 35. Immediate selling here. So all those people sitting at 31.25, suppose it came and tried to grab those stops there. Sold back down to the 11, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4. Seeing that selling there. So we just popped the highs, pulling back here 12.5s. Not sure if this is gonna hold. Getting in here would be a decent spot at the 10s for a move up to the 30s. Try to pick up an extra 20 points. But I'm not sure if I want to be buying, trying to scalp into a resistance. I'm not sure if I want to be doing that sort of thing. So I'll just stay on the sidelines for now. Just staying on the sidelines. I really want to take a break, but I don't want to miss an opportunity here. Especially after yesterday, where the market moved so well and I was not able to take advantage. Even today, had some pretty good entries here, especially during the European session. So there was let's see, I was in the market. Let's have a look. I was in here at 413 all the way up to that 31 level, so 115 points if I would have held the first position I took this morning. 115 points, but I've picked up 108, so I'm making good progress. Not better than I thought. Although I've paid up quite a bit in commission, so maybe would be a bit better than we are. So I had that second rejection of the 31 level. Still in overbought territory according to the RSI. The VIX is 3.13 at the moment. So looks to have stalled a little bit here on the VIX. A little bit of a stall. It's not really anything that's concerning me at the moment. Let's have a look at the other. So yeah, a bit of a consolidation on ES. CL, let's have a look. Oil's pulled back down to 81.02. Looks poised to hit 82.31. Gold, what is gold doing here? Gold pulled down to that 23.08. Rally to 23.45.4. Wow. See, going for another test of that 31.25 here. So if I was buying off the 10s, it would be paying off at the moment for that move up towards the 31. Current daily range 248.75. Still in overbought territory according to the RSI, but so according to the RSI we overbought, plus we're into that 31.25 level. I suppose this could be just me talking myself out of a trade, but I suppose when I buy and forget or sell and forget, there isn't any knowing what the RSI is doing because I'm not at the computer. I'm not actually at the computer, so I don't know what is happening. Now with this at 248, let's see, through the highs, based on the daily ATR, they're saying about another 100 points potentially to the upside. There's the window above between 31 and 88. You're looking at about 50 points there of a window. Currently 10:19 New York. This would be made a lot easier if prices would pull back. In a meaningful sense, pull back, test this level, show bullishness. Definitely give us a lot more confidence, but instead, not giving this 31.25 any rest. close, pretty much so close to level there at 28. Yeah, we could see a blast through here at 31.25. Close, so close to those highs right there, into that area that we previously had some selling, especially highlighted by these wicks. The fact that we've closed so strongly there we are through that 35, expanding the range here on the day, current range being 253.75 points. Let's see, so let's see if this resistance area then potentially acts as support. There we are through the 40s. It simply means is me not buying and holding. It's proving itself costly here. Simply not buying and holding the position, because imagine this gets to that 619. Huh. Look at that. Further 13 points. Actually, this should be testing the highs of yesterday, actually. Let's go. Oh, no. We've gone through yesterday's highs, I'm sure. Have we? Well, we've got some highs around that 53.50 mark. Those highs are these highs over here, around that 53.50 mark. Let's have a look at the daily chart. Yeah, 53.25. Got highs there at 53.25. So let's see here, 53.25. Let's see. Yeah, this looks poised to take out those highs around that 53.25. Let's go back to our main chart here. Let's see. Doesn't seem like we want to hold above that 31.25 here. Let's see if we can close above it here on a 5-minute chart. Still got 1 minute and 40 seconds, so even though we've come out beneath the level, it's nothing to be too concerned about as of yet. Had a push up into the 45s. It's got the not previous day, it's 2 days ago actually. Friday, got the highs from Friday, right at 53. So we've got VIX back up to VIX is back up to 31. So we closed below that 31.25, so even though we traded above it, we closed below it. VIX is going up. It's at 348 at the moment. So VIX is supporting us at the moment for high. Okay, let's see. The thing is, I just don't think, based on the volatility, I don't think I'll be able to get this move up towards that 53.25, which is the highs from Friday. I just don't think, because I'll be buying here. If I buy here, I'll be buying near pretty much at the highs a day, looking for that move up towards that 53. And it's just not, especially with this 31.25, it's just not something I want to do. It's too late now anyway. Price have got to 47, 6 points away, 49. There we go. Straight through the highs from Friday. Got up to 54. So, there we are. There was potentially, what, 25 points right there. Let's see, it's 38. There we are. So that buy and hold will definitely be serving us right now. Let's just see where we are. Broke through those highs from Friday. The VIX is up at 66. So when VIX was telling me that VIX was rising and prices was falling a bit, VIX was down, prices around here, VIX was at 348. I could have thought about it then. Seeing this, wow, seeing this move here to the upside, wow, to the 60s, breaking those highs from Friday. Imagine this. I just can't seem to hold winners. 212. 212, current range 378. 278, sorry, current daily range 278.50. So that 619 is definitely within reach here. The thing is, I don't want to buy because it seems like I'll be buying high. Definitely talk myself out of this. Look at that. Talk myself out of it. Prices are at 68. Let's just have a look here. What is happening? What is happening here? 51 seconds to go. So we have all the indexes breaking out to the upside. My word. My word. Wow. If I thought it was overbought before, I do think it is now. We got a RSI above 81, but we've got that level I'm looking at 88.50. Oh goodness me. It's about 14 points away. So even though I've picked up 108 points, we can see here my interventions are somewhat limiting my profit here. Look at that, 80, 81, 82, 6 points away, 83, 84. There we are, through 88.50. From down here at 30s, extra, oh goodness me, over 60 points to the upside. No way. No way. Are we really going to get to 621 today? Doesn't seem that far away now. Huh. Certainly does not feel that far away. Imagine that, this has moved over 23 points here. Let's see, what's the size of this candle? 29 points. So this candle's moved 29 points, me not buying it because I was thinking it's overbought, and this market just continues to go higher. Rather than stick to the fact that we're being supported by the 50 period, the VWAP and the VIX. Sticking to that would have served me pretty well here. But no. I don't think 671 is realistic. Oh, imagine 60 points to the upside. If I had picked up those 60 points, I'd have recovered all the losses from yesterday. Current range 312.75, so about 40 or so points for one ATR move. I can't buy it right here, surely not. I think if this gets to 640 from here, I think I'll have to switch the computer off, because I would be so annoyed by talking myself out of this this move to the upside. that oh wow, that's telling me there was a lot of volume conducted there. A lot of volume conducted. Let's have a look. Yeah, a lot of volume got conducted on that last candle. So that could be a blow off top. So it went into oversold territory very strongly. A lot of volume get conducted on that candle. You know what? Pretty close to the
Order filled.
I'm just gonna short it. We're at this level of 88. We're just below it. We're in overbought territory. Had a lot of volume conducted on that prior candle just there. So I'm gonna go short now. This could just be. This could be seen as a revenge here, just off the fact that I got myself out of this trade that was working for me. But we'll see here. The fact that I'm shorting, but I'm shorting at the high of the range, so pretty much near the highs of the day, just by a couple of points. So we'll see here. Let's see what we do. Let's see if we can get some reason to come back into this market. Let's see what this market does if it gets down to, oh, hold on a sec. Oh my gosh. Oh goodness me. Moved the wrong thing. So let's see what this market does if it gets down to that level. Right click.
Order submitted.
Put a limit order down there. Maybe too far out the way, but I'll put it all the way down there. It's 460s. Let's put it at 60.
Order filled.
Oh, come on. What in the world was that? What in the world was that? What did it did it attach to there? Oh my life, what the hell was that? I know it worked in my favor, but 85, so.
Order submitted.
Jeez Louise. Why did the order attach to something? I don't even understand that. I'm hoping this market comes up and fills me. Oh my word. Are we for real right now? Are we for real right now? So I essentially picked up two points, but that is not what I wanted to do. Oh my gosh. Why is it attaching to things? I need to figure out that on the settings. I need to. Oh my word. Now it's doing exactly what I wanted it to do. I need to figure out how these orders don't get attached to these indicators. I need to figure that out. Because that's super annoying. That is super annoying. Hold on, I've already got it on the chart. Okay. Attach orders to indicator enabled. Disable that. Apply. Okay. That's the setting I had on there. Jeez Louise. I suppose that would work if you want to attach something to, like, say, a moving average or something and trail it, but oh my word. I don't even think this is going to come back and get me in. Of course, if it comes all the way down here at 65, I'm going to have to get out. I'm going to have to cancel this order. Where did that exit? Control. Exited 83. Goodness me. You know what? Maybe that's a sign.
Order canceled.
Cancelling the order. Maybe that's a sign. Maybe that's just a sign. Maybe the fact that I accidentally got out is a sign. I would be going counter trend, but I'm just going to take it as a sign. Just going to take it as a sign. Annoyed, but I'll take it as a sign. So we had that high volume coming into this level here, looking for that reverse, but 312. Let's see. No, I'll just take it as a sign. Take it as a sign. And then again, I suppose we've pulled back down to the 80s, 110. See, the VIX is up at 3.9. So look at the VIX. Yeah, VIX isn't showing any signs of weakness here. VIX is not showing any signs of weakness here. Wait for a chart pattern to confirm a potential. Goodness me. Goodness me. There was that short right up there. Could have been picked up 14 points by now. Could have picked up 14 points right there off my entry, but wasn't to be. Wasn't to be. There we are. Right all the way down to that 65 from 85, 20 points. Goodness me. And that was just from that volume exhaustion into this level. Had that volume alert on ES come in. Decided to go short on the movement back through the level. And it's an error on my part. I have to take responsibility for it. I can't blame the chart trade. I'll take responsibility for it. Attached it to the indicator, which I assume attached it to. What would you have attached it to? I'm not sure what. Yeah, attached to, but whatever. Because we're up 312 points on the day. No, that's the daily range on the day. We trade through the highs. Buying here, we're buying closer to the highs than the lows. In reality, I should be looking to sell. That's what I did. I've got to be really careful here that frustration doesn't get the better of me. Got to be really careful here that I don't let frustration get the better of me. Really careful. Could cause me to engage in risky behavior which would not serve my interests. Not serve my interests. So let's start this down. So we'll look to see if we have the pullback down to this area at 31. If we do, look to see if we set up bullish for a move up. We'll look to see if that happens. May not happen, but we'll see. Really, I may have to take a break here. I may have to take a break, and the reason I may have to take a break is the fact that this short here, let's just stay calm. Let's not be rash here. So we are coming up to the 11 till 1 period, which has always proved itself problematic to me in the past. So 11 till 1, usually I'm chasing a continuation and the market reverses or pulls back, so probably more selling, eh? 52, I was in at 85, 30 points. The joys of trading. The joys of trading. Let's see if we can get this pullback, take us all the way to either 31 or at the very least 50. Let's see if we can get our pullback down to 50. Currently VWAP and the 50 period are sitting down at 458. We're at 560s at the moment. So is this going to be a bull flag? Got the potential resistance. There we go. So I've had the pull back there. Let's see what we can do here.
Order filled.
It's going to go long. On the break of that 5-minute high. There we are.
Order filled.
Oh no. Goodness me. Ah, made a mistake right there. I want to select buy click and get in, put in a stop order. Never mind. Never mind. Buy click. Let's see.
Order submitted.
Yeah, let's see. Sell click. And then we'll put this here.
Order submitted.
Well, actually, there's no point putting that order in until the first order gets filled, actually.
Order canceled.
So. Oh, goodness me. More user errors. More errors on my part. No one to blame but myself here. No one to blame but myself. Oh my, VIX is at 4. Oh wow. Oh wow, VIX is at 4. Wow. It's come back a little bit just below 4, but VIX is at 4. Now the question is, do I get in here at 94? Or do I wait for a potential pullback? See, that bull flag got in at the right spot, not paying complete attention, and got out far too early. Far too early. But do we want to buy into a potential resistance? That's the question. At the highs a day. Do we want to do that? Do we want to do that? So the 255 is there. 340s is there. Doesn't look like this market's coming back. Does not look like this market's coming back. Seems like getting in where I did was the right area, but only problem is it's buying near this area of potential resistance. It's a problem. So that candle for the hourly would have just closed near pretty much at its highs. Come back into this area that we had the high volume for the pullback. Still, according to the RSI, overbought, but it was overbought all the way down in the 30s. We saw what happened there. So looking for that move up to 19. But I needed to pull back. Currently, VIX is at 3.9, so it's come down from 4. So we just broke the highs there. We're pulling back. Hoping this isn't a reversal.
Order filled.
Now I'm triggered long. Hoping this isn't a double top reversal. Now I can put in my take profit order. So candle close near the highs. We're going to see some pullback here. So the next level is 21. So let's get out at
Order submitted.
let's get out at 19. I did say the 11 till 1 is always our most difficult period. So we'll see here. There's a potential for this to be a double top. Seeing a lot of selling here. What was that? Let's have a look. Price have pulled back to that level that I was looking to buy from. Around the 50s. In at 77 here.
Order submitted.
This isn't looking good. Selling, thought would take us all the way down there, didn't come in, we've had to move through, break the highs. Now the selling's coming in to take us back down towards that 31. Like I said, we were still in overbought territory, so let's see what we do here. Stops currently below the 50 period and VWAP. Of course, this market could turn around. If it does, would be punished somewhat, but I suppose the only positive is we've had a decent amount of profit on the day so far. That should protect us a little bit. So if I was still in that, still had the order out on that short, well into the money. But we'll see. So we're at, let's see, 577. Let's see what we do here. Just keeping our stuff out of the way for the moment. So that's not a great sign. It's pretty much an engulfing candle here. broke the top of the range, closed below the lows of this range here. It's not a great sign. Double top, closed near the highs, pretty much engulfing candle. I suppose if I was to get out 50s, short down to 30s, would recover some of those losses and then look for a long. So short it, so let's see, get out here, short it down to the 30s and look for a long. The more this goes up, the more space there is to short it down to this level. Lower. Engulfing candle, even though it's against the trend.
Order filled.
Just reverse the position.
Order cancelled.
Just reverse the position. So locked in those losses. So that's a sell order.
Order cancelled.
So it's just based on this engulfing candle here. Locked in those losses and reverse the position. So we sold, so it's going to be a buy limit right there, down at that 31 level.
Order submitted.
So where am I short here? I think I'm short at 53. I'll have to wait and see here. Again, I'm going against the trend. If this turns around, if this thing doesn't come down to 31 and turns around, my word. What did I lose? I think I lost like 20 odd points, so let's have a look. What did I lose? Got out at 53.75 and I was in at 77. So I was in at 577, got out at 53, so I was at 24 points. So 53 minus 31 equals 22 points. So what would have been the point of reversing then? If you're going to end up with less points. Makes you wonder, doesn't it? Let's go down to 510. Let's see what we can do here. Oh my word. Huh. That's closed bullish, which is not good. not good at all. Golly. So locked in 93 from 117. Yeah, lost 24 points. Why would you be going short? That is in direct contradiction to the VIX. Going short is in direct conflict with the VIX. Why did you go short? And I went short because of this engulfing candle. But we're above 50 period, we're above VWAP. So this candle should not. Oh God. And look at that. Those 24 points would be disappearing. There we are, and we'll be back to break even. There we are, we'll be back to break even. So those 24 points that I lost because I've taken it off would not have been lost because I'll be here, I'll be in profit right now. Goodness me. I'll be in profit right now. Am I gonna let this candle, called it an engulfing candle, I let that 60-point candle fool me into thinking that and now I don't want to reverse the position to go long. No, I don't want to do that. Only thing I could say is this candle made a higher day, or current higher day, before there's no way this is going down to 500, not with VIX where it is. There's absolutely no way. Not with the daily chart being where it is. And let this candle here trick me into reversing my position before I move down to that 31. And now I don't want to realize the loss because I was in the right position. I reversed the position, realizing a loss, which I shouldn't have. I thought the move through the highs, bearish candle, double top, rejection of this level, I thought would at least see the move down to that 31, be able to get out and then look for an opportunity to go long up towards the 621s, but no. So it's goodness me. What is this? Hold on, it's not a sell click, buy click.
Order submitted.
I'll just put in a stop order. What was that saying? 314. So why is that incorrect? Oh no. Oh, it's because this. There we go. Is that right? Of course, of course, of course. So let's just close below the level, just about. You know what? Why would this market go down to 500? Let's think about this. Why would it? Why would this market go all the way down there? So the original order, they're at 78. So we just broke through those highs. Continuing higher. And there I was in at 77. Coming up to what would have been 30 points. Upside move supported by VIX, 50 period and the VWAP. Instead I'm down 47 points. "37 seconds to go, and it looks like we're going to close above these highs. There we are. We've just closed above those highs. We've had 4 consecutive green candles. my god. Ah, goodness me. So I in fact shorted these prior highs, previous resistance, potential support, and that's where I shorted. Goodness me. Goodness me. Well, you know what? After that debacle, I'm just gonna hold this short. I'm just gonna hold it short because I'm just gonna hold it short because at the end of the day, I was in long. I got shaken out. If I go reverse now and then it turns around again, I know I'm going to be extremely annoyed, so I think I'm just going to leave it be. The market, of course, goes up to 417 points. I was stopped out. These losses here, these gains here would return into losses. And let's see. Lose about 57 points in a day, so I'll turn a positive day into a negative day. But I think I'm mentally exhausted right now. After this whole thing, I'm just mentally exhausted, so I'll just leave it as is. Maybe if I come back and prices have recovered my I'll set an alert. Let's see. I'll set an alert if prices do come back and get me back up to where I was, then fair enough. Set an alert. Prices do come and get us back where it was. As well as our original 19. Prices do come back and get me to where I was, then definitely take it off. Think about ending the day there of 117 or so points, but based on how things are developing at the moment, it doesn't seem like that's the case. See, we've seen prices just pull back there. Down to that 88.50, we are seeing buyers here. The VIX is still at 3.9. So we are looking for prices to head down to that 28. Which from where we are at the moment is like 70 points. So I didn't short at the highs a day, but I suppose I was short closer to the highs than the lows, so we'll see. We'll see. I'm just going to go into mute. So I'm just going to go into mute. I realized that some of the errors I'm making are pretty much because I'm at the charts. If I weren't at the charts, I'd be making these errors, because I definitely would not have seen that, and if I did not see that, I'd still be in the trade. So I'm just going to leave the charts now, step away. If it means I get stopped out, then so be it. Market current range is 321, and unfortunately I'm about 36. I'm quite a bit away. My entries, unfortunately, my entry is 56 points from the high, which is quite a bit. It's going to go short 78. Would have been a better area, but we'll see. We will see. This 61 is fairly ambitious. I don't think we'll get it, but just throw it out there. I may have to let's see. I'm just going to go back on mute. just so you know, VIX is up to 4% at the minute, so I'm going to, I've had a push on the VIX here. Let's see, yeah, we've just had a push on the VIX, and definitely should be looking to, let's see, 81, let's see, move back to the highs. So VIX is at 4%. So I look to get out. I was looking at getting out at 25, down 25 points. Looking to get back in. Well, VIX is still VIX is still saying long, but here I am short. Man, oh man, oh man. So I was in at 77. Goodness me. Price went 30 points in my favor. Well, I've got to stop all the way up at 40, so stop us out there. We'll still end the day positive, but we gave back pretty much most of our gains here today, and we're up 117 points. And it was up 117 points, but let's see. $89 points. 89 points if my target is hit down there. I'm not sure if it will. Not sure if price is going to come down to 30. Not sure of that. So we've moved that to 65. Let's move this. It'd be really nice if this market turned around here. Headed all the way down. Allowed me to trail, and then let this when I get a chance, if I do get a chance to lock in back to 117, I will be doing that. If we get down to 20, I will be looking to lock in that if we get down to 20, I'll be looking to lock in those 24 points, and after that I'll just let the trade ride. So it's 117 points today, then so be it. But you can see price about 10 points from my entry. Not sure what price is going to do here. We'll just leave it alone for now. So new hourly candle. So during that previous hour, all we've done is consolidate, had the fake move down, head up. Let's see, close bearish there, but this could still bull flag and continue. Close off the high, close off the lows. You can see we're a couple of points off my about 18 points, 15 points off my entry there. It's actually short of the lows there. Got a target down there at 65. Prices get down to 20. Looking to lock in. Looking to lock in the points already lost. The 24 points lost. Prices have come down here on the 5-minute chart down to the 20 period moving average, and we find support there at the moment. Also coming back inside of that deviation, standard deviation 1 of the VWAP. So, hold on. Let's put this around this side. Let's put it down here, just to make things more viewable. So we've got that 50 period and VWAP before that target, so there are a few things in the way if this market was to sell off. At the moment the 20 period's the one holding it up. Came within 8 or so points of that entry. So we'll see if we can break through. Well, the lows here are at 41. See if we can break those lows. And beyond that, got a 50 period at 510. VWAP at 79. Our target down at 65. At the moment this 20 period is holding price up. Ideally I need price to get below this 20 period, but doesn't appear to be the case at the moment. It's being bought up here during lunch. Imagine that. Imagine if I'd have just took profit 8 points from my original entry, went long off that 20 period. But that's the sort of thinking that got me in this mess. Thinking with this big candle that would see that automatic move down to 31. Then I was planning to get in long for a move back up to the 88s. It just didn't work out that way. This fake out move here really got me. Broke the highs, strong selling. I thought with the break of the highs with the strong selling we'd see that follow through at least down to this level, but nope. Market turned around and made new highs. Turned around and made new highs. Still seeing that selling, that buying here off that 20 period. We're closing at the highs. There we are. Close at the highs. strong buying momentum off that 20 period moving average. Back up towards that 88.50 there. Well, at the moment where my stop is, the minimum I'm going to leave the day with is 5 points. So, which is a little disappointing considering the fact that I picked up 18 points during Europe, picked up a further 99 points here during the US session. So it's somewhat disappointing to leave with only about 5 points. But we'll see. We'll see. Still here, but see, we've taken the entire previous hour there, 11 till 12. We've taken back that entire move in less than 9 minutes. That open to close taking that back in less than 9 minutes here on NQ. And I'm still holding with hope that we'll see the turnaround. Still holding hope. It's going to be going to mute. I'm just going to move the stop to the default position it should be. Previous area I had it at 40, was just me wanting to end the day green, but I'm going to put it where it's supposed to be based on the entry. And then let's see how this plays itself out. Going back onto mute. This stream's been going on for 3 hours and the market's well away from my target here, so what I'm going to do, it's actually going the wrong direction. What I'm going to do is end the stream here and we'll come back at the end of day and see where the market is. Everything was pointing to the upside. VIX still pointing to the upside. 50 period VWAP, yet somehow I'm short, so we'll see. We'll see what we do coming at the end of the day. We'll see what happens come the end of the day. So we'll end the stream now, and in the recap we'll cover what's happened. So just briefly, we started the day up 117 points and saw this move, thought it was a false breakout for a reversal down to 31. This candle broke the highs, bearish candle, went short at 11 a.m. Normally my worst period, and I was pretty much trapped in that short there. Prices went up, came back pretty close but didn't get there, so currently down 51 points. We'll see how this ends up. So we'll just end the stream for now and we'll come back in the